What's up guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and if you're new guys, a special welcome to you. Now in today's video I'm going to show you how to archive and unarchive emails within your Gmail account, right? So let's take this email for example. You've reached your 1000 subscriber, right? And I want to thank you guys especially for subscribing to the channel and to continue to support this. Without you I wouldn't have reached 1000 subscribers on this channel, right? So thank you very much for that. I greatly appreciate this and appreciate the support that you've given me so far. Now, so let's say I want to archive this email. All I have to do is just find the email within the list of emails that I have here, right click on the email and simply click on archive, right? Now you realize that that email is now archived and it's no longer showing in my inbox. But let's say I want to unarchive that email. All I have to do on the left hand side, click on the more drop down here, and I want to click on all mails. Then I will be able to find that email within the list. Keep in mind that this is done by date sorting, so you will have to either search for that email here within this list, or you want to go to the specific date so that you can find it. So in this case, this email is not too far down and you are able to see it right here in the list. So how do I unarchive it? So all I have to do is just simply right click on that email again, and all I have to do is just simply click on move to inbox. And then when I go back to my inbox, I am now able to see that email again. And that's all you have to do guys. Very easy and very simple. Now guys, I really hope that you found this tutorial very helpful, and if you do, go ahead and give this video a like and share your comments below. I'd really appreciate that. And if you're seeing the channel for the first time, welcome to Drew Tutorial. I'm Anjo, and I really appreciate if you hit the subscribe button below to help grow this community, and also so that you'll never miss out when I release another helpful tutorial just like this one. Thank you very much and see you next time.